Welcome to ONPAR, a new kind of test for 21st century students. We're transforming the old bubble tests with innovative kinds of questions. So put down your pencil and get ready to think. Before you start, we want to show you how we're different. First, you'll see we use a lot of pictures and animations. Look at the pictures and animations to get an idea of what a task will be about. Then, move forward to the questions. On question screens, look at the picture or animation, but don't stop there. Read the question at the top of the page. We try to keep questions short so you spend more time thinking and problem solving than reading. You'll also see that some words are underlined in blue. Click the blue words to help get an understanding of the words or phrases. Something on the screen might be highlighted or a picture might pop up. Next to the question are two speaker buttons. Click the speaker button if you want to hear the question read out loud in English or another language. And if you really do like to read the question, click the screen text button. There's never more information in the screen text than what's on the screen, but some people prefer to read instead of relying on pictures. There are also directions if you need help using the computer to answer. Now let's look at some types of questions. Remember, we're not a bubble test, so you're going to interact with the screen in different ways. Our answer choices and tools are on the left side of the screen. The answer space is on the right. Look for dashed lines and question marks to see where to answer. Some questions are simply drag and drop. Click a word or picture on the left and drag it to the area with the dashed lines. There's also a new way to answer questions with language on the test. We use color-coded sentence frames to help you make a statement. Think about your answer and then click on the color-coded words to make a statement. Be sure to read all the choices and think about what the words and phrases mean. Along with these kinds of questions, we have model building and investigations. Look for tools on the left and build your model or plan your investigation on the right. Don't be afraid to play with the screen a little. Remember, check the screen text if you need written directions, or ask your teacher if you don't know how to use the computer to answer. One last thing is the navigation bar. You can go backward and forward at your own pace and play and replay the animations. The trash can erases your whole answer on a screen. And last, the check button submits your final answer. That's only active at the end of the test. Now we want you to practice. Click on the link and try the task called substance separation. This is a chance for you to interact with a couple of questions before you get to the real task. Good luck!